Money, Lesson 5, Counting Dimes, Nickels, and Pennies. Today we are learning how to count dimes, nickels, and pennies. Here's the front and back of a dime, the front and back of a nickel, and the front and back of a penny. When we count dimes, nickels, and pennies, we put the coins in this order from highest value to lowest value. So a dime is worth 10 cents, and a nickel is worth 5 cents, and pennies are worth 1 cent. A dime is worth 10 cents. This is one way that you can write 10 cents with the cent symbol, and this is another way to write 10 cents with the dollar sign. See, this here, there says there's $0, and then we put a decimal point to separate our dollars from our cents. So $0, decimal point, 10 cents. Counting dimes is the same as counting by tens. Let's count these 9 dimes to find the total value. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So the total value is 90 cents. Let's count by tens using this hundreds chart. Please count out loud with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's 100 cents or $1. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Here's the front and back of the nickel. This is one way to write 5 cents with the cent symbol, or you can write it with the dollar sign. $0, decimal point, 0.05 cents. Make sure you put a 0 in front of the 5. Counting nickels is the same as counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So the total value of these 9 nickels is 45 cents. And there's a really neat pattern when we count nickels and when we count by fives. See? It goes, the number ends with 5, the number ends with 0. The next number ends with 5, and then 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Let's count by fives using this hundreds chart. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So this is 100 cents in nickels, or $1. A penny is worth 1 cent. This is one way to write 1 cent, and this is another way to write 1 cent. Make sure when you put the decimal point, you put a 0, 1. Counting pennies is the same as counting by ones. So here we have 9 pennies. Let's find the total value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pennies is worth 9 cents. Let's count by 1 using this hundreds chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you're counting out loud with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So 100 pennies equals 100 cents or $1. Can you help me find the total value of my dimes, nickels, and pennies? Please. What is the total value of the coins? So first, let's identify the coins. We'll say, this is a dime, this is a nickel, and this is a penny. This is worth 10 cents, this is worth 5 cents, and this is worth 1 cent. We can add to find the total. 10 plus 5 plus 1. We know how to solve this problem. First, we're going to start on the right in our ones place. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. Then we're going to add our tens. 1 10 plus 0 tens equals 1. So our total value is 16. So this is worth 16 cents. We can count on to find the total. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 1 more is 16. So the total value is 16 cents. We can also use our hundreds chart to help us find the total value. So this dime is worth 10 cents, so we're going to carry it over and put it on the 10. Now we're going to grab our nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents, so we're going to count over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The nickel will go on the 15. And then we need to count up 1 for our penny, 16. So the total value of our coins is 16 cents. Awesome job. Thanks for your help. Let's practice counting more coins. What is the total value of the coins? Here we have dime, dime, nickel, nickel, penny, penny. 10, 20, 25, 30. We need to count up 2 more. 31, 32. 32 cents. Good job. Let's practice counting on 10. Well, so here we have dimes and then nickels and then a penny. So we're going to count by 10 and then we're going to switch, count by 5s, and then we'll switch and count up 1. Okay, so let's start by counting by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And we're going to stop and switch, and we're going to count by 5s. And if you forget how to count by 5s, you can think to yourself, what is 50 plus 5? And that will help you get back on track. Or you can just say it in your head. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. What comes next? 55, 60. Good job. Now we're going to stop and we're going to switch and count up 1. What is 60 plus 1? 61. Good job. So the total value is 61 cents. All right, let's count on to find the total again. We're going to count by 10s and then 5s and then 1s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now we're going to stop and we're going to switch. We're going to count by 5s. What is 60 plus 5? 65, 70. Now we're going to stop and we're going to count up 1. 71, 72. Good job. The total value of these coins is 72 cents. Okay, we got a dime, dime, nickel, penny, 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 penny. Okay, here we go. 10, 20. Okay, what's 20 plus 5? 25. Okay, now we need to count up 1. What's 25 plus 1? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. The total value of these coins is 32 cents. Okay, let's count on to find the total value. We're going to count by 10s, then we're going to count by 5s, and then we're going to count up 1s. Okay, here we go. 10, 20, and we're going to stop and think. What is 20 plus 5? 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, we're going to stop. We're going to count out. What's 45 plus 1? 46, 47, 48. The total value of our coins is 48 cents. Now you try. In this boom card deck, you will have 20 cards and you will count on to find the total value. And don't worry, if you make a mistake in your counting, it will say, whoops, and it will show you in red right where your counting error was made, and you can fix it and move on. So have lots of fun. I know you'll do great.